You've got an issue and a problem. Didn't I tell you moments ago, we all have it. That's what this world is all about. I have, you have, different levels, different values. Sometimes you see a person smiling, happy, content, and you think Allah has not even tested them. Look at me, I'm tested with everything on earth. But you don't realize, if you had to spend a moment with them to hear what they're going through, your problem would be dwarfed by what they're going through. You would be embarrassed to even think you have a problem. But your little issue has actually totally destroyed you, completely gone. I don't even want to pray anymore, because you know what? Allah's not favored me, but Allah has favored you. Moments ago, I met a family who lost a child. May Allah Almighty grant them sabr jameel, grant the child a rank in Jannah waiting for the parents and the family members. And may Allah Almighty make it easy for all of them. And I tell you what I said to them. When Allah has chosen you to engage in patience and sabr beyond a certain point, it's because He's preparing for you an abode in paradise. That's what it is. The condition is, you need to take that patience, bear it. إِنَّمَا يُوَفَّى الصَّابِرُونَ أَجْرَهُمْ بِغَيْرِ حِسَابٍ. Allah says, we recompense those who bear patience unlimited, in an unlimited fashion. Subhanallah. That's Allah. So if Allah is telling you He recompenses in an unlimited fashion, that's one verse. There are so many other verses that tell you the same. What does it mean? It means when Allah has chosen you, when Allah has chosen you, He allows you to engage in an act of worship known as sabr, to bear patience. So when you bear that patience, you know what? Your status is elevated.